friends, today we're going to draw ice cream. In Spanish, ice cream's helado. First, we need rule, sharpener, pencils, and something to color, and eraser. I'm drawing a circle for the ice cream part. Now, I'm going to draw the cone of the ice cream. I'm drawing our ice creams. Let's color the cone. Waffle cone. Yes, a waffle cone. Of our ice cream. It's a waffle cone. It's an ice cream cone. This, and a cone. It's very cool. We finished with the cone. Now I'm going to do the sprinkle. Use black for the sprinkle. Yellow. Where's this? The sprinkle? Yes, Mama? From the ice cream. Now I'm going to use, for the ice cream, I am going to use this color purple. Maybe it's violet. Now I'm going to paint with this color, violet. Some pink, some light blue. I don't know to add some dark blue. I'm using this color. We finished with that sprinkle. Let's color this part strawberry. Strawberry ice cream. It's a waffle cone on it. Okay, I finished my ice cream. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.